Reconfigure project started with basic interest into how potentially machines that we operate with and on them through daily basis, machines and computation in general today drives most of our infrastructure. We're talking about planetary scale computation, and what is very interesting about this is that essentially all of these machines that operate with incredible speeds, and they are usually quite hidden. They function in the background. They are, some kind of a infrastructure that is hidden. It's not so present or tangible. So what this installation is actually trying to do is to bring out the very infrastructure in itself. We're talking about global infrastructure that focuses on network culture, so network exchange of information, and at the same time, all of those machines, when they are accessing each other on the global scale, they're sending certain kind of data between themselves that's only relevant to machines' operations and not so much to the content we're actually putting through these machines. So this installation actually reveals not the content of what we use or how we use the machines, but what the certain kind of data exchange and operation is happening just for the infrastructure itself, and is not relevant for us to see. So my name is Tadej Vindiš, and this is the Reconfigure project.